Planets in the solar system. Some are big and some are small. Let's start with the first planet, Mercury. It has no moons and it has a lot of craters. It's the closest one to the sun.
Oh, okay. Then what's next?
Venus, the second, the second farthest from the sun. It has no moons too, and it's super hot, and it's burning hot in there.
Okay.
The hottest planet in the solar system.
Okay.
Now Earth.
Okay.
Earth is now we live in. Earth has life, green and blue, and it has a moon.
Okay.
One moon. The fourth planet from the sun is Mars. It's a red planet. There's no such thing to say about it, but it has a lot of mountains.
Okay, that's good. What's the fifth planet?
Fifth planet is Jupiter. It's the largest planet in the solar system. Also with many moons. 67 moons on total. And
Wow.
greatest mass of gas in the solar system.
Okay, do you know any moon in Jupiter?
The five VIP moons is
Okay.
Io, Europa, and etc. Now Saturn.
Okay.
It has rings and it's made of dust, ice, and chunks. And it also have the moons. It has the second it's the second largest in the solar system.
Wow. Okay. Now I know. And what's next?
Uranus.
Okay.
It has rings too, but it's made of ice, and ice it's the coldest on the solar system.
Wow. Okay. And then
Then Neptune.
Okay, Neptune.
It's second coldest planet in the solar system. It has no rings, but it goes around the sun, but it takes 800,000 years to go around the sun.
800,000 years. That's a lot, no?
Yeah.
Okay, and then next
And
what's
then
next?
the dwarf planets.
The dwarf planets. Okay.
Pluto, Aries, Makemake, Haumea, and Ceres. Ceres is the smallest of all of the dwarf planets. And it's very small with no moons.
Wow.
Now let's go to Makemake.
Okay.
Okay, it has 4 moons
Mm-hmm.
and it has an atmosphere.
Wow, that's great, huh? Oh,
Haumea, it's shaped like an oval. Aries,
what's Eris?
it's almost bigger than Pluto, but Pluto is bigger. Pluto, it has many moons in the dwarf planets.
Wow. Okay, so
And the stars.
the stars, meron ding stars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stars that I know is Proxima Centauri, the next nearest star in the solar system of Earth.
Okay, that's nice, huh? You know that too, huh?
Rigel,
Okay.
it's the white star. And Pollux, it's a red star.
There's something else?
No?
Okay, so what's your
Okay.
channel?
KynKnowsGeography, and I forgot the solar system orbit on the race. It has 1 second to finish. Bye. And my channel is KynKnowsGeography. Bye.
Okay, so watch Kyn on his YouTube channel. Okay, bye.
Bye.